perseverance of your human nature strives for the best sides of life. We are all human natures and we want the best. Try to judge a person who wants to kill two rabbits at once, and you will find out that he wants to prove to himself that he is powerful without a helping hand around, and he can get what he wants in life. But there are people who want to prove their power to others. This is called competition. Never forget that competitive people can become merciless and may kill any person who blocks their ways. Eventually, humanity wins. The one who proves his achievements to himself can win because he knows no competition, and with the harmony, he follows the trace of life.